kin, family or relatives. He sent gifts to his kin at Christmas. They invited all their kin to the wedding. Havoc. Great damage. The storm caused havoc in the city. The heavy rain caused havoc on the roads. Frugal. Careful with money. She is very frugal and saves every penny. He is frugal with his money and never spends too much. Arrogant. Thinking you are better than others. He is arrogant and thinks he is always right. She is arrogant and never listens to others. Magnate. A very rich and powerful business person. The magnate donated a lot of money to charity. She is a business magnate in the fashion industry. Jittery. Nervous or shaky. He felt jittery before the exam. She was jittery waiting for the results. Jaunty. Cheerful and confident. He walked with a jaunty step. Her smile was jaunty and bright. Flimsy. Weak, easily broken or not strong. The chair is flimsy. It might break. The bridge looked flimsy in the wind. Remedy. Something that fixes a problem or makes you feel better. This medicine is a remedy for cold. Honey is a good remedy for a sore throat. Regal. Like a king or queen, very royal and impressive. The queen wore a regal crown. The palace looked very regal.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!